Oh! It's on its wheels, yeah, it's on its wheels.
You ready?
3, 2, 1, go! Alright, let me go first.
Here we go, this is where it gets fun.
Boy, well, I'm over the wrong one, I know. Oh, he's got a lead on me now.
Oh no! Oh, I thought I'd lost it.
Air control almost.
There was luck. I was relying on the luck, really.
Yeah, I thought so. That's nice. Bit of a rear bounce. Oh,
That's better.
yeah, got the lead now, ain't you?
I have.
Go on, stuff it up over this one.
No thanks. Just taking the shortcut
Yeah,
slightly.
I keep going the inside of that
I'm
one.
impressed we've made the end without crashing. There we go. That was nice. Nice little race.
That was quite calm.
You can't really get on it too much because you're just going to stack it somewhere. All right then, that was good. One to me.
Ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go! Got the lead off the start again.
That was perfect.
Yeah, we.
I don't really mind that corner cut there. That's fine by me
Oh,
as well.
okay.
I see you doing it. Oh,
Oh, cut the inside
that's a
little
good
bit
line.
there.
I like that.
Oh, I've gone the wrong
Oh
side.
no! Oh, that was lucky. I nearly lost it. Ah, that lost it.
Oh,
Huh?
it's
Back
on
on
his
your wheels?
wheels. Yeah, it's on his wheels.
Wheels, but he's losing
Yeah, I
the race.
think you've got that one.
Well, you say that, I nearly crashed.
I've got the steering lock problem again.
Really?
No right lock. Well, not a lot of right lock.
Other way?
Yeah. How much steering lock have you got?
About that much. I can turn around in the straight look.
Yeah, I can, but oh, I don't know. Turn that down. Right, yeah, let's go this way. Yeah.
How much TSM are you using?
About 20%.
Oh, I'm on about 40, but okay.
Go on then. Ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go! I'll just go over the top of you. Right. Flat out.
No.
Got away with it. Run around the barrier. Oh! I don't know how I managed to keep that on the ground.
Surprisingly close.
Oh, it wheelied over. Oh.
As soon as you get any kind of decent lead, just ease right off.
Oh yeah.
There's no point crashing when you're...
Go on. Oh yeah. I can... Yeah. Right.
3 laps.
Come on then. 3, 2, 1, go!
Just using more power. They've got the same speed. It's... Ah! Lost it.
Ooh. Oh,
That
that's
was a
close.
bit tight.
Oh, get off!
You slowed down.
That's nice. Oh, caught the hose.
That was good.
Oh, yeah. There was the inside line.
Yeah, likely.
Ish.
That was good.
Think.
I would say I won, but I was on the pit thing at the time.
You're up here.
I would say I won, but I... I helped you out there.
Oh.
That was close. I was a bit keen on the last corner.
I could see you coming skirting along the outside here.
I was
yeah.
fairly, yes.
Right. You ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go! Oh!
I waited for you.
Yeah, I know you did. it sort of scooted sideways and I couldn't see where it was.
Perfect.
Oh, caught that hose again. Oh, you backed off on that this time. Well, that's a nice line.
Got the back one sorted now.
Yeah, as long as you line it up okay, it goes good. Oh, still get a bit more steering lock. That's nice. But you've got this one, definitely.
Nice.
Okay, are you ready?
Yep.
Right, 3, 2, 1, go! We still gravitate towards each other. That was a bump.
That was pretty... Oh, I'm on the wall.
You're nearly going in the forest. Oh!
I'm over taking this, he's crashing.
Well, it ended up on his wheels eventually.
I know, I'll wait. That was funny. I'm like, I'll just nip past.
Yeah, you probably went underneath me.
I don't know where I'm going there. That was rubbish.
Yeah, I feel a bit bad if I take too much time up.
What are we doing?
Here we go, have another go. Oh.
That was nice.
Got the wrong side of the hose. Nice inside line there for you.
Thanks.
You've got to attack the jump. Oh, up high. Here we go. Nice. Just understeers through there, no steering lock. Is that the last lap?
Yeah, it is. One to you.
Ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go! It's going to cut back. You cut back.
I helped you out there.
You did. I actually took off and done a backflip and it landed on its roof.
You landed on top of me.
I did. We were going too slow.
Fast enough.
Oh, I just can't get the air control with these controllers. Yeah, I meant to do that, honest. Oh! Yeah, you've got that one easy.
My one always flips.
I think these are the best to drive around here. They're more fun than the bigger ones, I think. They're more agile.
Right, ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go! Right, here we go. Back jump.
Oh no! Oh no!
Is that you on your wheels?
Yes. They don't
It's
always.
just luck. You can.
Oh, that was terrible.
Oh.
There you go. So you can land on your
You
roof.
can actually control them in the air. Come on then. Oh. I let him catch up. Go on, mate. And again over this way. There we go. Right.
Quite lumpy around that bit, isn't
It is, yeah.
Oh no.
Oh, got that nice. Is this the last one?
Yeah.
Oh, I'll just take it steady up.
Oh.
Wow. Oh! I don't know how I managed to keep that on the... I did. Oh! It's on his wheels. Yeah, it's on his wheels. Yeah, I meant to do that, honest.
Oh no. Oh no. Yes. Oh, that was terrible.